Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Apple Watch Instant Fix step by step clearly. To reset your Apple Watch, start by ensuring your watch is charged. Press and hold the side button until the power menu appears. Swipe on the power menu to reveal the power off option. Before turning it off, press and hold the side button again until you see power off appear for 3 seconds. Now, force restart your Apple Watch. To do this, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown together. Keep holding these buttons until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Once your watch restarts, unlock your Apple Watch. Next, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Scroll down and tap on General. Find the Reset option at the bottom of the General menu. Tap on Erase all content and settings. You may need to enter your passcode to confirm this action. If your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone, you will also need to unpair it. To do this, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Select your watch at the top of the screen. Tap the eye icon next to your Apple Watch. Choose Unpair Apple Watch. Confirm the unpairing process by tapping again. Once unpaired, you will find a new setup screen on your Apple Watch. Now, your Apple Watch is reset and ready for setup or to be sold. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.